the Mpow M13. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Mpow M13 true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The M13 features 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case has a simple look and design. It has a matte finish all around and it's easy to grip. On the top you have the branding. And on the front of the case you'll find the status LED lights. On the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched in inside the case. The case has wireless charging and you can see it here on the charger activate. Just like the case, the earbuds have a simple ergonomic shape to it. Finish is just like it with the matte look. Ear markings are on the inside face and the outer face has a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and a microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1.1 by 1.6 inches. It weighs in at 32 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out?
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow M13 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality came in a bit too low for my liking. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds independently left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the M13. They were easy to put on and they seated well in my ears. It created a tight, snug fit and there's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls will help alleviating the additional pressure. Build and quality is in line with something you would find in this price point. Case and earbuds feel solid. The touch controls were not overly sensitive and they responded well. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 7 hours and 28 total with the case. I like the wireless charging along with the IPX8 rating, so this should give you protection from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, you will immediately notice the bass. It comes in heavy, deep, and punchy. It may be a bit overwhelming for some, but this will definitely please the bass lovers out there. Mids and highs I feel come in a bit recessed, and I wish it was dialed up a bit. Just flat sounding, as the bass can overwhelm. These definitely fall on a warmer sound signature. Overall, these come in at a budget price point and offer some heavy deep bass sounds. If that's what you're looking for or accustomed to, then these would be a good choice. So that is my review of the Mpow M13 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.